I originally toured a couple different schools and I was up in the air until I came here and I met with the faculty. I was nervous going into it because I've never done anything with nursing before. So to have people there supporting me and excited for me to experience things that they had already experienced kind of made me think that this was the right place for me.
Always changing, always learning something new, hands-on, being able to help someone in need. It's always been something appealing to me.
I was questioning if I was going to be able to do all of this because I understand everyone says nursing school is so hard. But then once I entered this program and I met the people I was going to be taking these classes with and the people who are going to be teaching me the things that I need to learn, class doesn't really feel like class anymore because I'm so close with everyone. Starting off, we do a lot of things in here to get comfortable because a lot of this stuff is completely new when you jump into something like this. And the faculty is great walking you through how to use all the advanced equipment, and then slowly but surely they put you into healthcare settings with people right there with you to show you how to use things, and they never really leave you on your own to figure it out.
It's a lot of work, but you study it, you understand it, your professors are there to help you, and you just get it, and you're hands-on with the professors in the classroom and in the sim lab and a clinical, and it all just falls into place. My favorite site has been the emergency room at Cheshire Med. I've had a really good experience there last semester. They let me be really hands-on with a patient. The heart rate was up in the 200s and they let me shock them, they let me push the meds, they let me do everything. It made me know that that's where I want to be when I'm done with school.
It's a really good learning environment and that's helped me to grow and understand that I'm going to have an important role in society.